Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, ito na. For today's video, biglaan to kasi bigla ko lang siya nakita kanina sa feed ko sa YouTube. So, BINI Blink Twice official video teaser. So, I'm super excited ngayon. Nagka-countdown na siya ng premiere. And, antayin na lang natin na matapos ng countdown. I'm super excited kasi, diba, finally, ito na, ilang days na lang. Mapapanood na natin yung Blink Twice music video, guys. Oh my God. I'm super excited. Like, yung mga teaser na pictures nila. Sobrang ganda nila doon. Grabe yung visuals. So, grabe yung, nafe-feel ko yung music video. Like, oh my gosh, yung music video, it's so colorful and very, bubblegum pop. Feeling ko lang. Pero, ito na, malapit na siya matapos yung premiere countdown. Let's go! And by the way, guys, of course, I'm wearing my CF BINI and then Colette Fan Supporta necktie of Colette. Ayan, super ganda. Actually, bumili din ako ng ang dami kong binili sa Fan Supporta. So, hindi ko na siya mapakita sa inyo. Pero ito na, oh my gosh, 14, 13, 12, 11, oh my gosh! 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh my God! Oh my gosh, Colette! Ano yan, Shiloy? Yun na yun.
He's just looking at me.
Si Mika yun! Si Mika yun! Grabe naman yung t-shirt. Diba? Grabe naman yung teaser na yan. Like, legit na napaka, ilang seconds lang. Sige na, 10 seconds. Their outfits! The visuals. Jolette, magkatabi.
Maybe he's just looking at
I like that. Blink Twice. Hindi nagpa-process sa utak ko. Wait lang, guys. Yun na yun! Parang sa to? Sa office, sa ABS. Wait, what? The board, the red hair, long hair. Oh my God, Colette! Kumala ka! Jolette. Si Aya, agad-agad na nila lahat. Like, legit, the visuals. Yes, Gwen?
Maybe he's just
Blink
looking
Twice.
at me.
The voice. Mika's voice. Ano mo yung very, very, Gen Z or millennial, pero may pagka 80s, 90s yung outfits nila. Parang ganun. Na very classy. The boots. Oh my God, I'm super excited sa music video.
Maybe he's just looking at
Binabak ko, guys, kasi baka may na-miss ako na something. Pero ito yung nila nasa teaser nila. Parang each member teaser.
Maybe he's just looking at me.
Oh my gosh, I'm super excited! Like, yung buong music video, ilang days na lang, guys. Oh my gosh. Tapos yung may nagsasalita sa sa parang mga alien something. Di ba? Tapos yung parang concept nila sa photo teaser nila is parang nasa outer space sila.
Maybe he's just looking at me.
So, ayan, I'm super excited mapanood yung official music video. Ilang days na lang, 3 days na lang. So, dito pa lang, di ba, parang, alam mo yun, sabi nga nila yung Blink Twice is parang, wag ka na magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Kasi di ba yung sa salamin-salamin, parang, nag-hope ka na mapansin ka niya, kailan ka niya papansinin. Pero dito, parang derechahan, kung gusto mo ako mag-Blink Twice ka, ganon. Tapos, actually guys, nung first ko mapanood yung announcement dito sa Blink Twice, nung concert sa GBV, grabe yung tili ko talaga nun kasi biglang biglang nag-come up lang sa utak ko, Blink Twice is fan ng Blackpink and then ng Twice. And then naisip ko agad nun si Stako of course and then si Maloy. Kasi 'di ba sila yung big fan talaga ng Blackpink at saka ng Twice. And then biglang parang naisip ko lang noon, what if may collab sila ng Twice at saka ng Blackpink, pero malabong mangyari 'yon. Pero ayun na, wala, umano lang siya sa utak ko that time, pero grabe yung kilig ko noon, like yung sigaw ko talaga noon kasi Blink Twice, parang sobrang ganda nung title name. And then yung beat nga nung pinakinig yon, and then yung lyrics, sobrang, alam mo yon, yung parang ma-hype ka dun sa ma-hype ka dun sa lyrics, dun sa beat ng song. So I'm super excited na mapanood to sa February 13. Ayan, so grabe itong teaser, literal na teaser lang kasi ilang seconds lang siya, pero grabe yung visual nila dito. I can't wait talaga na mapanood yung buong official music video kasi grabe yung outfits, the visuals, the vocals. I mean, si Mika lang yung narinig natin dito, pero 'di ba yung mga previous teaser, like yung extended teaser, grabe yung vocals nila doon, like na kaagad nakaka-LSS na agad yung extended teaser. So what more pa yung buong kanta, 'di ba? Parang cherry on top, parang salamin-salamin, pero iba yung, ayun nga, parang sabi nila pinsan daw na cherry on top. Pinsan ba? O parang ganon. So, I'm super excited na talaga. Oh my gosh. And then the colors. Grabe. Yumi As talaga, never disappoint. Like, Beanie and Yumi As, it's over. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong! Hey!